Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle a common problem faced by developers when working with behavior subjects in Angular. The problem we're looking to solve involves hiding the next interface of a behavior subject while still retaining its other properties, such as the ability to get the last emitted value imperatively. This is where the concept of a read-only subject comes into play, allowing us to expose only a read-only version of the behavior subject without the next method. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. The key here is to create a type called ReadonlyBehaviorSubject by using the omit utility type to exclude the next method from the original behavior subject. This approach ensures that the ReadonlyBehaviorSubject does not have the next method, achieving our goal of providing a read-only version of the behavior subject. Building on the previous step, we can now implement the ReadonlyBehaviorSubject in our code. By initializing a private behavior subject with some initial value, and then assigning it to a public read-only property of type ReadonlyBehaviorSubject, we create a seamless way to expose the read-only version of the behavior subject to external components. This setup simplifies the handling of state manipulation while maintaining data integrity. Another approach worth considering is keeping the behavior subject as private and only exposing an observable for subscription. By converting the behavior subject to an observable using the asObservable method, we can provide external components with a read-only view of the data stream. This method offers a clean and straightforward way to encapsulate state changes within a service while providing controlled access to the data stream. In summary, we've explored how to address the problem of hiding the next interface of a behavior subject by creating a read-only behavior subject type and exposing it in a controlled manner. By following this approach, you can ensure data integrity and encapsulation while still allowing access to the last emitted value imperatively. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Remember, coding can be fun too.